Have you ever decided to have a barbecue and at the last minute you realized, oh God, I don't have any more barbecue sauce? Well, today I'm going to show you a quick 5-minute no-cook barbecue sauce that will blow you away. Okay, so first off, most traditional barbecue sauces start with some type of a tomato base. Okay, if you don't have any tomato sauce at home, no problem. Go out and get yourself some ketchup. Today we're going to be using Heinz ketchup. I'm not sponsored by them. I just what I had in my cabinetry. But we are going to put, I would say, a cup of barbecue, a cup of ketchup. To that, I have here 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. For a little bit of smokiness, I have smoked paprika. Add a little smokiness to it. I'm going to put about a tablespoon in there. I want a little bit of a vinegar sauce to it, so I have here 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. Make sure it's apple cider vinegar, guys. And of course, you got to keep the vampires away. You're going to need some garlic. I have here a teaspoon. I want 1 heaping teaspoon. I would say probably closer to a tablespoon there. 1 and 2. I like my garlic. And then to that, I have here 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Just like that. And mix this around. Just like that. You see how it's not real thick, but it's not real thin, but it is delicious. Now, if you don't want to use soy sauce, please use Worcestershire sauce. But something that has a little bit of smokiness to it, a little bit of acidity. The ketchup has plenty of acidity to it, but put that down like that. But there you go, guys. Homemade 5-minute barbecue sauce, and it didn't even take 5 minutes to make. Alright, now I am going to be using this barbecue sauce in another recipe coming up here using that Roto 360Q. So be sure to look for it. Until next time, God bless and happy eats.